Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to pronounce this word and what it means. The word is quaint. Quaint. Quaint means attractively unusual or old-fashioned. Synonyms of quaint are charming, attractive. Example: Grandma lives in a quaint old cottage. Grandma lives in a quaint old cottage. Here, quaint is an adjective. An adjective is one of the 8 parts of speech. Adjectives provide further information about a noun. Specifically, they explain more about a noun's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. Example: It's a lovely table. The weather is pleasant today. See you in the next video. Bye.